sorry. I don't know why I was just sitting here doing all this stuff. I'm gonna pause it right at the right moment.
Bernala?
Or I'm not. Okay. So workout not started. I'm sorry if you are you guys depressed? Okay, they're depressed, but they're perfectly fine. I have a feeling she would be even more depressed because she was like with her mom more. Okay, creepy yet inspiring. Yes, very creepy but inspiring. Okay, why don't you go work out, because I really want to try to get them to get a promotion. What happened? Go jogging. Oh, there's some broken CC in here then. XXX. Oh, what was that? I just saw the bills. Okay. Moonlight, go do your homework. How much longer until she ages up? 2 more days. Oh my gosh. I'm saying oh my gosh so much. But I mean, she's aging up in 2 days. I was just about to say though that she could probably well that she can adopt a kid. A kid can adopt a kid. Okay, socialize. Chat with. Really? Really gonna do that to me? No. Okay, let's try again. More choices. Web. Meh. Okay. She's aging up in 2 days. I'm gonna delay it a little because I feel like that's a bit too soon. Would block fitness level 2. Okay, she can get to fitness level 2. Wait, which one of you pays the most? You pay the most.
Me? Oh.
Yeah, fitness level 2? No, oh my gosh, go jogging. Okay. Next, doing homework. You guys, I'm so sorry if you're mad about this if I do this. But I'm just going to go ahead and set her age back a little. Like probably to 8. Okay, and let me get Luna to 8. It looks like Izzy died. And set age. Wait, oops. 8. Okay. And Luke. Sim commands. Set age. To 8. Okay. Does she even know her other cousin? No, she doesn't. Okay, someone really needs to write over Dallas. Does anyone know Dallas? I don't think barely anyone in the family even knows about Dallas. We're doing your homework. Wait, I want to check quickly to see if I was wondering why it wasn't showing up. Caitlin. Let's go to Derek. They already had it. No, they haven't. Okay. What's wrong with you? Oh, from a creepy text. Okay, she's depressed. Moonlight's not depressed though. I really think it's time for them to get a new pet, not to like replace Honey or anything, but I'm just really, you cannot do that. You have to go finish working out. Come on, Faith, do you want to fail this audition? Okay, now that you are pretty inspired, when do you have your audition exactly? Friday. Okay, so you still have time. Faith, get out of the bath and go work out. See, really? No, we are not doing this. What's with my Sims? The raccoons are still here. Okay, where is... Oh, here you are. Go jogging again. Sims never listen to me. Okay, Faith is still taking a bath. Faith, no, you need your fitness level to 2. The only person that's actually paying attention is Little Moonlight. You know, Faith, fine, you can fail in the acting career. Wait a second, how do I do the modeling thing? Okay, because I finally found the modeling poses, but I'm just confused about them. Posing. I guess you can attempt strike modeling pose. Do you have to like take selfie as a model?
No.
Okay, I guess that looked like she did it right. Let's try again. Yep, she's confident that she did it.
Ow! Yaba!
Okay, seriously, if you're trying to attempt something, how do you end up doing it like that? That's like just you're trying to fail on purpose. Still don't know how to make your circle. Okay, attempt to strike the pose. Strike that pose. Okay, you still see student.
Camus.
Oh my gosh, what's happening? Wait. From being near the ocean?
Woony.
Okay.
Unyab.
Oh, yeah.
Computer, you
Maybe.
Oh,
My Sims are so confusing. How come all she can do is professional singing? There's no fear. Go to fame. Take a picture of yourself while you're doing this. I'm gonna try to get her to do a pose, like a model pose really quickly to see what happens. Same modeling animation. You can only do fail. Wow, fix makeup. I guess Kiss of Flames. What does X and Y stand for? It's like, I am literally so confused right now. How does this work? Modeling. Take me back to modeling. Fame, professional singing, animations, selfie pose, backpack. Okay, let me try this again. I guess this. Okay, she's not doing it. Do I have to like make her stand over here? There we go. Okay, now let's try pose by back. Come on, please. Did this work? Oh, just coming up to modeling. Okay. Says it's unfinished, but I want to try. Oh, Faith. Hey, Faith. Oh, now she's just 2D. It's like watching her in a movie. Okay, you guys, that was weird. Someone has to clean up all this stuff. Why are you guys just taking out food, looking at it, then grabbing some more food? It's not like you're throwing a party anytime soon. Go get rid of those. I feel like Faith would be the type of person who hates mice. Posing, you're still posing. Okay, Faith, just stop it. You don't see that happen anymore. She is literally 2D. Oh my gosh. I do not know how to work the road to fame modeling. Getting ready of this? Good, those cockroaches. Oh, go to the restroom. Okay, both of you need to go to Wait.
Huh.
Why
That's
did
the
check that
ball.
option? What did you guys do? Okay, good. So we don't need her to get sad. Okay. I'm still depressed. All my friends are like, my life sucks. But it's just the laptop. Oh. Okay. It's like, how about at 5 a.m. both of you guys go jogging? Huh? What does that mean? Error 3020? Weird. That is like so weird. Wait a second. Why does Willow just became friends with Cinnamon? Willow is literally dead. Which, okay, 2 days ago. And last thing. Okay, what you doing, Willow? Why don't we go ahead and go jogging? I'm gonna go ahead and get them. I'm still saying go ahead. Okay, so now they have something. Ooh, they could have water. Okay. Oh wow, this is big. They can't really afford that much. Going to the treadmill. Okay. Gonna have to go back to the jogging or just delete something. Like maybe this lamp that they don't even use. Not gonna do anything though. Oh, this preference file. $36. 40. I don't want to get rid of the drone because I feel like probably. Okay, there we go. What? I swear it just changed prices. I don't want to get rid of anything else though. Don't need this. So you can do they have anything in their house? Oh my gosh, I could have sold that from the beginning. You seriously have to be kidding me. I told me I had that. Let's go ahead and get you guys a nice little treadmill now. It's just gonna be in a random place. Can I like put it right here? Yeah, why don't I have a treadmill right here? Let me see how far I can make it go. Okay, right here. Beautiful. Go ahead and go work out on this. Wait, actually, we need a promotion more than the audition. So go work out. Okay, Moonlight. We need little cousin gathering. I still don't know how to pronounce the last name. Okay, can we get like Dallas over here somehow? Who are you? Oh, you're little Megan. Okay. Wait, how does Willow know Meg? Please know Megan.
Olamide! Flip! Farce!
Which one of you knows Molly?
Niplum Rimple. Bakuyashi!
Okay, hold on.
After
M-A-H-I, comma, M-A-H-I, comma, A-I. M-A-H-I, comma, A-I. M-A-H-I, comma, A-I. Yes, I did it. Okay, good. And I also had caps locks on, and I didn't even notice. Okay, let's get all the cousins to have like a little cousin meeting. Okay, now we need Luna Parker. It might not work. and Luke Parker. Lukeparker. Okay, let's see. Is everyone coming over? Okay, good.
Shoshi.
Chatting with
And Frobby Seabrook. Sonoy?
Okay, you need to learn
Moochie
so
Peachy?
much
Go on.
by tuning up
Uh-huh.
this class. Okay, seriously, what's with the blue hair? Go invite him in, have a friendly introduction. Wait, where are you going? Oh my gosh, he's leaving. You can't do that. Okay, everyone's here like, we're here, what's the emergency? Why don't you complain about your problems? He's like, oh hey!
Susu.
Chill.
Barcelona
Meet
Blue.
Dallas.
Dallas. Larnoy Slosh. The Noy Marquette.
Okay. He's just like, hey, I'm going to the fridge. Bye. Harvest Fest. Oh, it's Harvest Fest today. I'm sorry, I'm gonna get rid of Harvest Fest. I don't think anyone can celebrate it after someone. Well, actually, no. It's like the spirit of Harvest Fest. More after someone died. That's level 3 of the fitness skill. You still have to do a workout. Faith, why don't you go jogging? What are you even doing? Investigate? What is she investigating? Guys, that is
Squire.
Faith? Okay, I'm confused about what she's doing. Good job, hire a new actor. Okay, I'm so confused. Okay, her and Moonlight are getting to know each other. Luke, why are you just standing at the door? Oh my gosh, you are so creepy right now. She's like just standing there. Child, why don't you come in here? I'm definitely not a very creepy person that you don't know. So why don't you come in here? Oh my gosh. For a second I thought she actually kidnapped Luke.
Yodi.
Okay.
Thibbit.
You only got that 75% done. Get your lazy butt up. How dare you? Go. Is that how you do the Christmas skill? But they're all having like a group chat. Luke is Dallas and Luke. Dallas is funny at this. Guys, just all of a sudden appeared in the house. Why do gnomes even appear? It happens to me multiple times where gnomes just appear all over the house. Okay, is that all? So I do not like going but at least they got money, so I sometimes like them.
Oh, Barangay, huh?
Okay, Faith is working out. Dallas left their little chat. Okay, so they're all having a nice little chat. He's talking about what he's so safe. Okay, none of them are really depressed anymore. She's not depressed anymore. Alright, baby, I'm being sad. Oh my gosh, just call her driving. Why don't you begin recording? Maybe she can have a gymnastics channel. Okay. I'm going to do pose by pack and give her some gymnastic poses to do like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So like she could become a model like her mom. Yeah, let's get Okay, get that. Oh yeah, get that. Stretch that leg.
Okay.
She's an awesome poser. And there we go. The beautiful posing. She's like, so yeah, you want to pose like me? Because I can do it amazing. Story poses. Other poses, Road to Fame mod. I could have sworn I downloaded more poses for girls, well, children. Is it 5+1 cute poses? Or maybe it's this. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it's this. Ooh, a summer one. Wait, no, go back. I saw ballerina. Where's the ballerina? Oh, here it is. Okay. I feel like she would make a great ballerina. Okay, let's try those. This is probably just gonna be... Oh, hey, you okay?
Over road.
Ballerina one. She's like, oh my gosh. Like, what are you doing? You are going to make me puke. What are you doing? She's like, Mom, this is ballet. Haven't you ever done ballet? She's like, no, because that's not how you do it. Nope, get back on the treadmill. I'm not saying you're fat because you are very skinny, but you have to get, you have to level up. Like, so, what do we do? It's like, okay, hey, I'm going to talk to my cousin. Where is Luke? Luke, stop waiting outside. Okay. Oh. Is it weird that I like the sound of farting? That made you miserable? Oh my gosh. I don't know how saying you like the sound of farting is creepy, and it just like, well, bam. Oh, like Faith is such a drama queen. She was like, oh my gosh, she likes the sound of farting, and I don't. That is unacceptable. I am now miserable. Oh, you can't do that anymore. Okay, why don't you go ahead and make some food for everyone then, Faith? Because we all know you are an excellent cooker. Everyone can have some pancakes because it's vegetarian safe. Besides that, she's like fine, I guess. Okay. Oh no, it's raining. Yay, everyone loves it. Ooh, I'm gonna buy them one of those gaming things where you can game on your TV. Gimme. Let's get them a nice flavor punch too. This one. Face it this way. Here you go. What? Oh my gosh. Okay. Gymnastics video. Oh, there we go. That thing appeared again. Okay. Why don't they all play a nice little multiplayer game? A game with Luna, Luke, and Dallas. Okay. Luna, come over here. Go to the bathroom and lock the door. If you hear anything, run. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is so creepy. I'm so glad that I'm playing this in the morning. Because if it was nighttime, I would have like just immediately shut off my game. Oh my gosh. Imagine getting a text like that while you're while you're sleeping. Like all of a sudden, you're sleeping, you might have had a nightmare, then you wake up. A random child texts you. Go to the bathroom and lock the door. If you hear anything, run. It's like just, oh my goodness. That guy is really scary. He's so mean. So creepy. I know. So like I said they were overreacting of like how creepy it is. Then I'm like, oh my gosh, that is so creepy. Yeah, what is with people these days? Especially children. Okay. Okay, why don't you go ahead and help out. Alright. Wait, Luna, Alex, did you guys just see that? Lightning struck here. I really wish one of my Sims could become a lightning god. Because, I heard that if, your Sim gets struck by lightning, they could become a lightning god. Okay, real. Okay. Everyone go have some nice little pancakes. Oh, wow, those actually look beautiful. Oh, wow. Wonder, beauty review video. Okay. Beauty vlog video. Go use the restroom. And then after that, why don't you get some sleep? Oh, I guess once you oh, don't take a nap. Okay, you're feeling confident about yourself. It's only 75%. Okay, now you're feeling better. Are you even hungry? Okay, stop eating then. You need to go work out and get that fitness level up. Luke is still here, like, my sister was my ride, and I don't know where to go. Okay, let's put this in, the fridge while we wait for Eve to eat it. Let's put this one up. Okay, she's super tired too. It's almost Moonlight's birthday. What do you mean it's almost Moonlight's birthday? Yeah, sure. It's almost her birthday. Literally next Tuesday. What do you mean? You might just sit there. Yeah, I didn't see that. So gross. I see. Okay. Ethan, why don't you get up and go work out? Since you are not done yet. How do you do the charisma skill? Okay. Skill socialize with, use the mirror to practice speaking or reading. You're uncomfortable all of a sudden? Okay, my Sims know how to get on there. Ooh, I want to see if you can become a lightning god. Got here. Ooh, go play in the rain. Moonlight, why don't you go ahead and play the rain too? I'm going to play fun. Is there like a roof right there? Oh, there is. So we get struck by lightning. Yay! Go play in the rain. Oh my gosh, she has clouds under her eyes. Okay, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to do it by yourself, Ethan. Okay, just gonna go take a bath. You're tense. I mean, I would just be traumatized if I got that. Why did he just do that? I'm guessing he's getting off. I'm getting all the water off. Everyone is literally so tired. Okay, I'm gonna say take a bath. Okay, we'll take a miserable bath. So work out when you're stressed. Okay, he is now on top. Okay, wait, why is everyone waking up all of a sudden? It's too seriously? Oh my gosh, go pound on the door. Faith deserves. Wait, no. Well, they deserve for her to pound on the door. Imagine moving into your moving like being your elementary school next door neighbor when he has a new girlfriend and they had a kid together. Oh my gosh, he came out looking like that too. Like, oh, he's nice to see you. He's like, oh, I'm so stinky.
Weba, Yekla, Benaj?
Okay, just stop talking to me. I can't believe that was even Rush. He was a pancake.
Lauren, Kajul, not a dream. Scridge!
I'm sorry, you're right. That was a bit... Excuse me. He did not just do that. You go complain angrily about the Norse. Go slap him on the face. Yell at him. Insult him. He was telling us that we were making noise. You should have seen him. He did not just do that.
Bishop?
Hey, I can't believe you did that. You, like,
Bahira Ruthei! Skizna Plushy Zabris!
She should be like, I can't believe.
Oh, Hada
Yeah,
Ikwa.
still. Keep on yelling at him. Mock his outfit. And there's his creepy girlfriend just sitting out there.
Clemente Benu Sublurf! Gibarao!
Oh my gosh, I can't believe he just did that. Now everyone can get back to sleep. I'm so mad. Okay, go work out.
Yakinar!
Go to bed. Don't crash here. Seriously, go to bed. Why don't I say just go to bed? I'm gonna help them. Okay, everyone's going to bed. You're invited. Ethan's good. This is broken. Ethan, come on, Ethan, repair that, please. I'm still so mad about what he just did. Well, you guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more. Bye!
Whoa!